Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OpenAI API to Pinecone for semantic search, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on OpenAI's website if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the API section to generate your API key. Make sure to copy your API key and store it securely. Next, go to Pinecone's website and create an account if you don't have one. After logging in, create a new project in Pinecone. Choose a suitable name for your project and select your desired region. Once your project is set up, you'll need your Pinecone API key, which can be found in your project settings. Copy the Pinecone API key and keep it secure. Now, it's time to set up your development environment. Install Python on your machine if you haven't done so yet. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Use pip to install the necessary libraries by typing pip install OpenAI Pinecone client. Once the libraries are installed, create a new Python file named semantic_search.py. Open this file in your favorite code editor. Start by importing the required libraries at the top of your script. Import the OpenAI library using import OpenAI. Import the Pinecone client using import Pinecone. Next, initialize the Pinecone client by calling pinecone.init with your Pinecone API key. Then set up your OpenAI API key by assigning it to OpenAI.API_key. Create a function named create_index. Within this function, call pinecone.create_index with relevant parameters like the index name and dimension size. Next, call your create_index function to execute it. Add a function named insert_data to your script. This function will accept data and use a loop to insert it into Pinecone. Use pinecone.index, index_name.upsert to insert your data. After inserting the data, create a function named query_index. Within this function, use the OpenAI API to generate embeddings for your query. Call OpenAI embedding.create for this purpose. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.